Hello, my name is Shantanu Pandey. I am legal internet lecturers company. Today I am going to talk about the power of entry, search, seizure and arrest without warrant and authorization in NDPS Act. Any such officer of the Department of Central Excise, Narcotics, Custom, Revenue, Intelligence or any other department of the central government including paramilitary force or armed force as empowered on his behalf by general special order by the central government or any such officer of the Revenue, Drug Control, Excise, Police or any other department of the state government as empowered in this behalf by the general or special order of the state government, it has been reason to believe from the person knowledge of information given by any person and taken down in writing that any narcotic drug or psychotropic substance or controlled substance in respect of which an offence punishable under this act has been committed or any document or other article which may furnish evidence of the commission of such offence on illegal acquired properties of the document or other article which may furnish evidence of holding illegal acquired property which is unable for seizure or freezing and for forfeiture under chapter 4A of this act is kept and concealed in any building, convenience or enclosed place may between sunrise or sunset enter into such or such building in case of residents break open any door or remove any obstacle to such an entry, seizure such drugs or substance all material used in manufacturing thereof, detain and the search, and if he think proper arrest any person whom he was reason to believe that he had commit any offence punishable under this act. Thank you. For any other doubt let us know through comments.